Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a handbag unboxing. I'm so excited guys because I actually already unboxed this bag. Well, the same exact bag. So this is my second time unboxing it. If you do keep up with my videos, you probably already know what I'm talking about. But if you don't guys, I'm going to tell you the 𝓮𝓲𝓻. Okay, so let me get the bag so I can tell you. Okay, so I have the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 20 guys, the crystal beautiful bag guys. I have nothing bad to say about it. It is gorgeous. I love it. If you saw my previous video, like I said, you probably already know the history between the bag and me. So guys, I purchased this one. I unboxed it like a week or two ago, and of course I would see something wrong with it, because everything I buy online, there's always an issue. So a lot of you guys that did watch my video did say that you did not see the issue. So I saw a rhinestone that did not match these guys. It was off. And I understand how that can happen because sometimes when you buy rhinestones, there's some that don't match. There's some in a different shape. It happens, okay? But that rhinestone was placed on my bag. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is a darker one. It is not shimmery like these, okay? I'm going to put some pictures here, see if you guys can see it better. But guys, when I unboxed it, I noticed it right away and it was bothering me. And I was like, should I leave it alone? My husband's like, just leave it, And I was like, okay, it's in the back, so when I'm holding it like this, I'm not gonna see it, nobody's gonna see it. But in my mind guys, it was still there. It was bothering me, and I was like, you know what, I can't let Coach just get away with this. I contacted them and they're like, oh, we can give you 10% if you keep it like that, like a coupon. And I was like, a 10% coupon? And I was like, I thought about it and I was like this close to saying yes, but I was like, you know what, no, you're not gonna Louis Vuitton me where you keep sending me stuff that are no good or something's wrong with it and I'm just gonna be okay with it. No. So I was like, we can't let Coach start being Louis Vuitton, So I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna order another one, because they also did tell me, they're like, you can't exchange because it is a sold out item, so what you can do is return it and then buy another one, or get that 10% coupon and then buy another one if you want to. So guys, I was like, you know what, I'm going to order another one, which I did, which I had to stock the website for because, it just says coming soon on the Coach website. And they just restock randomly, which they do restock, guys. It's just so random that you just have to be stalking the website. And so I was lucky enough to get another one, and it's here, guys. And I'm so excited to unbox it, guys, because I really, really do love this bag. And another thing, guys, is that I did not know that there was a regular size swinger that dropped last year. I think it was a Dillard's exclusive. So yeah, it is a tiny bit bigger than this one. I highly doubt that they're gonna bring it back according to what I saw. So yeah, I was like, should I just wait and see if they restock the regular size swinger? And I was just like, you know what, whatever. I love her. She is tiny, she is adorable. And then the regular size swinger does come with like a crossbody strap too, which I thought was so cool. But yeah, I don't know if they're gonna restock. Don't take my word on it, guys. If you love this bag, go get it. So I love this so much. I got another one, guys. So let's unbox. She is gorgeous, guys. So yeah, the only issue was with that rhinestone. I know most people probably would not notice that, but me loving to bedazzle, I noticed it like this, guys, and I was just like, I can't let it be. I can't. So yeah, let's unbox the other one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really do hope and pray nothing is wrong with it, guys. Oh my gosh, wish me luck. Okay, guys, so this is the second one. They sent it to me in a bigger box because the other one was like a smaller box. It just like was stuffed in the box, and this one's like, she's all flopping in there. I can hear it. So yeah, okay. So I bought this directly from the Coach website. I know Dillard's has it restock randomly, and then Amazon has the regular size swinger, but like I said, I don't think they're gonna restock it. I don't know, so don't take my word on it. If you really want it, just keep an eye on it. You never know if they will restock. I don't know. So Okay, I got my handy dandy crafty knife that I'm going to use to open the box. It is just taped here. Easy open. Okay. Coach. I'm loving Coach, guys. I don't know. They are just doing amazing. I'm so happy they brought these bags back, the crystal bags, with more colors. Here's the box. Here's the bag. With the same little note that I showed you guys last time. I'm going to do this one a little quicker if you already saw my unboxing. So this is the bag. She's all wrapped up. Ooh, she is beautiful, guys. Oh my god. So guys, here she is. She is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love her. I am so happy. You know what? Give me a second. Let me check all these rhinestones. I need some of the light. Hold on.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, guys. I think she did pass the test. I see all the same color rhinestones, guys. She is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this bag. I am obsessed. I was so upset because I wanted to use her over the weekend. And I was like, no, I have to wait for the other one to come in. So, guys, oh my gosh. I am definitely going to be using her this weekend. It has the 2 tags. So cute. Zipper works perfect. They didn't give me a dust bag this time. Rude. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Let me take out the stuffing. She's gorgeous. Oh my god, I love this bag. I love that it has the card inserts too. It has the little cards. Last time it didn't come with them, I think. Oh, these are the care cards, I think. Yeah, care cards. I'll put that back in there for now. It has a strap. So guys, I came to the conclusion that, remember, if you saw my other unboxing, I bought an additional strap just to make this longer, right? So look what I did. So I put one on one side like this, because I was still like styling the other one. So I was like, when this one comes in, I know what to do with it, you know? So I got the little chain. I put it through here, through one of the little hook thingies. I don't know proper names for nothing, okay, guys? So don't judge me or correct me if you want. I don't mind. Show me, teach me. And then I just clipped it. Look, so it's through there. And I just clipped both of them like that. So it's a little shorter, but a little longer. So it's not like the whole thing, you know? And then I'm just gonna clip all my charms right here. So let me show you. So let's say I have a lip boo-boo. We're gonna put it in here. You see? Simple. I don't have to be worrying about like clipping it on here or on like the actual chain, you know? It just hangs like that. And then look at that. If I want to add another one, you know, because you know we have to use the brown labubu's because it's a brown bag. I like to match them. Look at that. Now my labubu's are heavier than the actual bag, you know? So yeah, I like this idea of leaving all this space right here to fill it up with charms. So yeah, guys, what do you think? So cute, guys. I am so happy I got her. Oh my gosh, I love her. She is so adorable. Hold on, let me take these off real quick so we can talk. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna be using it, like that. Make it a little longer for my arms. So, oh my gosh, guys, I am just so obsessed with this bag. She's so cute. Like I said, I'm still tempted with the Sohos, but I really like that I can put this on the table, you know? I don't want to be dealing with like it flopping all over the place, so I have to lay it like this, you know? I really like this, that it can just stand there like that. But guys, oh my god, this bag is gorgeous. I love her. She's so cute. Look at her. Look at her. If you don't have at least one crystal bag, guys, I don't know what you're doing. This is a must-have. I love this Coach bag, guys. She is just gorgeous, guys. This was a quick unboxing just to show you guys that I did end up ordering another one. I love her. She's gorgeous. She just leaves me speechless, guys. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, look at her. She just shines so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, do you have a crystal bag? Let me know, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.